मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि आपने वीडियो को शुरुआत से लेकर अंत तक देखा। और जब तक मैं अपने अगले वीडियो में तुम्हें नहीं देखता, जीतते रहो। और ये ना भूलें कि जेराल्ड आप लोगों से प्यार करता है। यहाँ से अलविदा दोस्तों।
That was a video of me speaking Hindi. I can show you a video of me speaking Korean, French, or any other language, as a matter of fact. Now, the truth of the matter is that I don't speak any of those languages. So the question is, how did I do it? I use an AI tool that can translate any video from one language to another easily. And this is one of the 8 AI tools that we're going to be looking at, with which you can actually make $1,000 every single day. Let me show you how to make money with it. So this is the AI tool right here. You can come here to upload and click on upload, right, and upload a video that you want to translate. This video is in English, right? You want to translate this. Now come here, leave this at auto detect. This means that it's going to detect the language that the video is in, and we're going to come here and target the language you want to translate this video in. Now this thing changes your mouth and makes it sound like you're actually speaking the language. So you can select that you want it to speak Croatian, Danish, Dutch, Japanese, Korean, Malay, all of those things. So select the language you want me to speak right now and come here and hit translate video. Now this is going to be translated. I can come here and hit download. I can download what you've done instantly. Now the question you might have is, how do you actually make money with this? It's very simple. A lot of content creators want to reach on other audiences, right? And they don't speak those languages. So what you can do is to come to their channel, for instance, click on this place where it says one more link, right? And you can see their contact information, which is their Instagram handle, their Twitter handle, and of course you can click on view email address and send them an email pitching this to them, right? The question you might have right now is, what exactly are you pitching to them? Let me show that to you right now. So let's say I want to reach out to Mr. Beast, for instance. I can come here, right click here, copy the link to this particular video. Right now, come back to this AI tool. What you're going to do, instead of uploading an image, you can come here and say Google Drive or YouTube URL. Come here. Now, click here and drop the URL of the specific video you want to translate from its original language to another language. So I can do that. I can drop this right here and now say I want to translate this to Japanese, right? And click on translate this video. This video gets translated. So I can now shoot an email to Mr. Beast and actually share this link with him, showing him exactly what we can do as opposed to telling him. And you can see we actually did this with a click of just very few buttons. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 8 AI robots that I can actually use to make at least $1,000 every single month. And I can guarantee you that you've not seen most of the AI robots I'm going to be talking about in today's video. It's going to shock you how powerful they are. And for each of these robots, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can implement them, either for yourself or for others, to actually make $1,000. This I can actually guarantee you. The question you might have is, what is AI? In simplest thing, AI means artificial intelligence, which are actually machines or code that mimic human behavior, just like what I just showed you guys right now. And what's special about the AI bots I'm going to be talking about in today's video is the fact that they have the ability to improve themselves based on the information that they have already collected or the information that you are going to be giving to them. So before we jump right in and look at the other 7, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it guys. It's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. The second AI tool we're going to be talking about is an AI tool that enables you to build websites with just a click of a few buttons, right? And once you actually signed up on this particular platform, what you need to do is to come here and say create a new website with AI. That's an option. Or you can convert a non-WordPress site to WordPress with AI. That's the second option. Or you can migrate WordPress sites to 10 web hosting. That's the third option. But there's a fourth option, which is here. Install a blank WordPress website. Now, what we're actually focusing on is actually building website with AI, which is why we're going to be focusing on this particular one right here that says create a new website with AI. So I'm going to hit proceed. Now it's asking me, what kind of website do you want to create? You can actually create an informational website, or you can create a website for an online store. So you decide what you actually want. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be creating an informational website. So I'm going to click on this, right? I hit next. So what type of business? CBD, musician, singer, startup, or whatever. So let's say I want to build a startup, right? I'm going to hit next. So it's just a click of a button, give you some information and click on the button. So theme, motion, classic, forest, energetic, clean, safari. So let's use classic. Right, I select classic and it's going to give me all of these templates. So what I'm going to do is to select the template that I want to use. Let's say I want to use this template for it. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to come here and hit next, right? Name of your company. So I'm going to call the company Online Hustle Startup. Describe your company. So I'm just going to say we are a mobile app development company specializing in iOS and Android development. I can say enhance with AI, right? So AI is going to write something more elaborate for us based on what we have actually written. So it says generating, and it has actually done a better job for us, right? So what I'm going to do right now is, do you own your own domain or no? I'm just going to say either you own your own domain or you don't have your own domain. So I'm just going to say no, I don't have my own domain. Enter the desired domain. I'm just going to say onlinehustleapp.com. So I'm going to say next, right? So you're just going to give it instruction and hit next, right? And I'm going to sum here services and features, mobile development, app design, iOS development. I'm going to say finalize, right? And this is what it's doing, right? It says creating a blank website on Tel web hosting. After it's done, it's going to create a home page, going to create services and contact page and about us page, prepare layout, generate the content of this website, generate the images of this website, and make your website mobile friendly. Then it's going to finalize and our website is done. So let's go to the next AI and we're going to come back and actually see what he has done as we proceed in today's video. So if you're getting any value from this video and you've not done that already, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send the notification instantly. If you happen to have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section, as I'm not going to be hesitating to answer all of your questions. So let's go to the next AI tool, which is a website called SEO Writing.ai. So now you have your website, right? But for you to rank on Google, you need to actually have blog articles written. This website to actually generate SEO content, generate marketing copy, generate blog posts for you with just a single click of a button, right? And this AI writing tool for one-click SEO optimized article, blog post, and affiliate content available in 48 languages, auto-posted to WordPress with AI images, right? We will even give you images. So what you need to do is to come here, click on Get Started. It's free, right? Fill in your information and of course get started. For the fact that I don't want us to waste a lot of time on this particular video, let me know the AI tool that you're actually most interested in the comment section, and I will make a fresh video focusing on that AI to show you guys exactly how to navigate it from start to finish, right? Let me know the one that you're most interested in. I'm going to make a video specifically for that particular AI to show you guys exactly how you work, where I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned, right? So just come here, I'll put in your name, your email address, put your password and hit sign up to actually set up an account for this personal AI writing assistant, right? So the next AI tool we're going to be talking about is this one right here, which is generated of photos. Now, this is a unique worry-free model photos. You can actually create a digital version of a real human being, right, with this AI tool. I can use it for modeling purposes, for creating, basically for anything, right? You want testimonials on your website, you can actually create people to do it for you. So with this, you can actually generate faces of real human beings that are unique and have never existed before, right? You can create 100% realistic full body images, or you can just create faces, right? So that's what this AI does for you. So you can create from scratch by AI. Generated photos are perfect for ads, design, marketing, research, and machine learning, right? Some of you might be wondering, how do you actually make money with this? I'm going to be coming to that in a little while. We're going to be looking at all of this AI tool, and I'm going to be coming back and telling you guys how you can make money with all of this AI tool one by one. So this is another interesting one that actually works perfectly well, right? And all you need to do is to come here, click on sign in, set up an account, and of course, create an account and start using all of this. Right, the next one we're going to be looking at is this remove.bg. Now, remove.bg is actually a tool that I use almost on a daily basis, and what it does is I can actually remove background. So this is an image of myself. I'm going to pull it into remove.bg, right? And you're going to be seeing that this AI tool is going to be removing the background completely without clicking any button at all, basically, right? You can download this and implement this inside of your design. You don't have to start tracing, like we do in Photoshop and all the other editing softwares for you to be able to remove the background of an image, because this guy does it with just the click of a button. So with just the click of a button, our background has been removed. And I can actually click on download right now and download this on my little computer, so you can actually implement this inside of your design, and background has been removed easily. This is one of my most favorite AI tools that I actually use almost on a daily basis when I'm designing thumbnails and all the other stuff, right? Now, the next one is writer.me, rytr.me. Now, this is more or less like SEO Writing.ai, right? It does something. It can create compelling, original content that sounds exactly like you and not a robot, and that's what this one does, right? So you can actually use this to write copies, you can use it to write essays, you can use it to write articles and blog posts, all of those things, right? You can actually use this to do all of that. Now, the next one is this website that helps you generate AI voices indistinguishable from humans, right? You can create ultra-realistic text-to-speech, voiceovers, right? Which is, you basically give it a text and it vomits a voiceover for you in just a matter of seconds, right? So this is another interesting AI tool that you can actually use to make a lot of money on the internet, right? Now, the next one I'm going to be looking at is this particular one right here called InVideo.ai. Now, with this, you can actually create a full-fledged YouTube video without actually creating a YouTube video, right? You can create videos for Instagram, Facebook Reels, anything at all with just the click of a button, and that's what InVideo AI actually does for you. Now, for this particular one, I've actually made a full video, and that's the video showing up right here right now. This video will actually show you guys exactly how to navigate this particular content, where you basically give this software an instruction and say, create a YouTube video on this particular topic, and it goes into action. It does the voiceover for you, it does the text for you, and it does the videos for you, and it can even subtitle it for you. And all you need to do is to just take this video and put it out on YouTube. I can create a full-fledged YouTube channel in just a matter of minutes. Now, this is part of what I'm going to be teaching in my next YouTube Money Secrets training that is going to be happening on the dates that is showing on your screen right now. And if you're interested in being a part of that training, the number to actually chat is showing on your screen right now. You can chat with me or my assistant on that number and that number alone. And of course, we can actually tell you how to be a part of that training. Right? So all of these AI tools, how do you actually make money from them? Let's go back to the second one we talked about. You can actually chat people to create websites for you, right? And you see that 10 Web had actually finished creating this website for us. So I'm going to click on preview and edit, right? And we're going to see the website that it has created for us. You can actually go on Fiverr or talk to even the companies around you and begin to sell website design services to them. And this website will help you do that, right? So it has created this for us. You see where you put your logo. You can edit this and put your logo right here. You see the services. You can change your images. You can actually move things around, basically, right? You see that this is a professional website that has been created for us with just the click of a button. You can click on edit button right here to begin to edit some of these text and images and all of those things. If you're actually interested in me making a full video for you on how to actually use this particular website to create websites with AI, let me know in the comment section. I will not hesitate to actually make that video for you guys. And another thing you can notice is the fact that this video is actually very responsive. So if I come here right now and click on mobile, you're going to be seeing what this website will look like in mobile, right? It's actually very, very, very responsive. And you can see it's a service that you can actually sell. What designers are actually very high demand, so you can charge a lot of money to build websites, and AI can actually help you do it while you actually relax and just enjoy the money. As a matter of fact, AI will not ask you for part of the money that you're going to be getting for doing this. It's going to do it for you for completely free. Now, the next one is this SEO AI writing tool. How do you make money for this? Now, you have created websites. You can actually sell blog posts and SEO and all of those things to the owners of these websites, right? So you can upsell that one, to get this website. Use this AI to write the content and the blog posts, and of course, you can actually charge for that. Another way to make money with this is you actually create a blog and start writing content to promote affiliate product. You can go to Market 22, for instance, pick an affiliate product, use SEO Writing.ai and write content with which you can use to promote those products and services. And of course, when it ranks on Google, what's going to happen is that people are going to find your blog post, click on it, click on your affiliate link, and actually buy that product, and you make money. I've actually made a lot of money with affiliate marketing, right? My previous videos, I showed you guys where I actually made over 5 million with affiliate marketing alone. So go ahead and watch that video. That's showing up right here, right now. Click on that video and actually watch it to understand exactly how you can actually take advantage of this opportunity to make a lot of money for yourself. Now, the next one that we looked at is generated human images. This is something that can actually pitch to companies, right? Because they're paying models a whole lot of money to do videos and stuff for them. Now, you can actually come here, create a unique individual, right, for a specific marketing campaign, and you can use other AI tools to actually animate this. Now, this is actually a handful, and this is a video that I would like to make for you if you are interested. So let me know, guys, if you're interested in it, and I will make the video for free right here on YouTube. And of course, you can actually enjoy that video. Now, remove.bg is another interesting one, right? If you go on Fiverr right now and search for background remover, you're going to see that people are actually making a lot of money just removing backgrounds on Fiverr.com and Upwork, right? People will pay you $5, $10, $20, right, to remove background for them. I can actually take that money, come to remove.bg, click on a button, right, and it does the background removal for you in just a matter of minutes, right? Writer.me is basically something that SEO Writing does, right? You can actually use the two of them interchangeably. The next one is the generate AI voices with play.ht. Now, you can actually sell voiceovers on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and all the other websites. I can pick a particular voice right here, right, and use it. Now, another thing that this website does for us is that you can actually clone people's voices, right? So you can actually do voice cloning as well, where you can clone voices of maybe Donald Trump, Joe Biden, and all of those, and all the popular individuals, even popular actors and actresses. So let me know if you actually want an in-depth video on how to actually use this website, and I will not hesitate to make a free video for you and put it right here on this particular channel, guys. All right? So go ahead and let me know which one is your most favorite and which one you want me to make a more comprehensive video on, and I will jump on that immediately. just for you guys. Another question you might have right now is, how do you actually get access to all of these AI tools that I've mentioned? All of them, from the first one to the eighth one, all the links are there in the description of this video, right? All you need to do is to click on the right link and it's going to take you to the website, and of course you can actually set up an account and engage with it, right? I'm also going to be pinning all of those links in the comment section, so just click on the appropriate link and it's going to take you right there, and you can take advantage of this AI tool and make a lot of money online, guys. So I want to say a very big thank you to you for watching this video from beginning to the very end. And if you've gotten any value from this video, I want to encourage you again to smash the like button on this video if you've not done that already. Subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop my amazing video just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.